Hello friends, today I will show you how to redirect with another page with PHP. So let's start. First of all, need to run the local server. Local server is running now. Now take our local server. So currently it's blank now. So when I hit this URL, then it will go to the any website. So first of all, PHP syntax, then header function, then location. Right, then you can put your website link as you want to go the URL. All right, then you can just add the exit method, PHP built-in method. Okay, done. And now we can hit the URL, then go into this URL. If you want to add the google.com, progress PHP. So that's it. So it is the too much easy. If you want to add this type of feature like your WordPress website, then you can just add this method. Alright, so if you have any question, just comment. Thank you. Bye bye.